Hello, my name is Dr. Black and welcome back to Tech Talk. So, question is, what is NAS? So basically NAS stands for network attached storage. So as it sounds, it is attached to your network and it can be used by multiple users which is attached to that network as well. It can be directly attached to your router or through the switch. Mostly people use switch because it's a better way to connect other devices like multiple PCs, laptop, anything. Why NAS? It can be simple as one hard disk, but I don't think anyone gonna use one hard disk because mostly people use two or more. So one can be used as parity or a backup drive, other for data storage. When one hard disk fails, you can replace it with the another hard disk and it will start making your data again. So in case of failure, you don't lose any of your data. It can be remade with parity. That is the most important part in the NAS. If you never watch your statistics and errors, then it inevitable. If you use proper practices in the NAS, it is way low chance than using in the regular method. That is the main reason why you should use the NAS or build a NAS, so you don't lose any of your important data. So NAS are not just for use to save your data, that is the main purpose of the NAS, but it can be used as much more, like as a firewall, media server, a central ad blocker. You can store your home assistant. If you have powerful NAS, then you can run virtual machines, Windows, Linux, any system you want in it. It can be used as central VPN. If it's just movie songs and if you are just hoarding things then doesn't value a shit, then of course you can go with the usual way, put all your data on the one disk. But if you have something important like documents, your family photos that you don't want to lose, then Nest is the best practice for saving your data and never lose it. You can use in the Windows, but they are not the most preferable way. You just need two same capacity hard disk. Reason is same capacity. If you use one 4 terabyte and one 2 terabyte and you put 2 terabyte in parity, then you can only access 2 terabyte out of 4 terabyte. If you have two 4 terabyte, it will be best. Then you can furthermore 4 or less than 4 terabyte, so you can use all of your capacity of that drive. Usually NAS run on the lowest system. You don't need anything powerful if you are not transcoding. Okay, let's get an example. So this is something called web GUI. Mostly servers are connected via Ethernet only, not by your normal HDMI. Some case like in which you need to operate via command line, or some other server software that requires command line in which you need a display. But in this case, mostly by web GUI, I can log in via this IP. All I need to do is type username and password. Okay, so this is something called dashboard. I'm using unraid. These three are my hard disks. One is used as parity, so there is no size is showing. Here it's written parity, and these two are my regular disk. One is 12 TB. So as I said, you need two same capacity disk or else you will lose some of your usable storage, which is very sad because these hard disks are so costly. And this one is I add later, which is 4 TB. This is cache drive. When I upload my file, they first go in the cache, is much more faster and overnight or as I schedule goes in the hard disk. This is the flash drive which is runs the OS. I don't know why they do this way. We will learn much more in the 100 series. So this is just the overview that how NAS interface looks like. So yeah, let's go to the file. Okay, so these are my two shares that I created. One is for videos and one for my work, which is I call Vault, which have my all of my clip. Let me show you the speed. So this is my game recording. Okay, so 30 GB of file, it speed of 112. It's limited by my network switch and my onboard network. So that's how much speed you get in the normal NAS base model, and less access via other devices like mobile phone and laptop. In my case, MacBook. Here is the thing. Work clip. Here is the clip that I just added. You can play it or download it. And also in the mobile phone, the my files, network storage, tower, vault, work, clips. Mobile phone are usually slower than the average, but as you can see, all of your devices which are connected to the network can easily access same file at the same time, and also they can upload from this device to the network. You can upload, download, use it at the same time. Any user which are connected to the network with the login info, they can access these files. Easy peasy, right? Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next. Peace.